In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer or move your Coinbase to an Uphold exchange or any exchange that is, as long as you have the correct addresses and the correct information. So this is going to be a quick tutorial of Coinbase to Uphold. So if you haven't subscribed to this channel, I would advise you to go ahead and do that because I do videos to help people invest into assets and to businesses. Absolutely. So my name is Shelton. Let's go ahead and dive into the content. You know what time it is. Let's go ahead and do it. Now, I'm at the Coinbase website. So if you don't have a Coinbase account, you can click on the link below, get access to Coinbase, start investing to an asset using a Coinbase exchange. Now, we're going to move Ethereum to Uphold. I'm already logged into Uphold right now. I also have the Uphold information right below this video as well, the link, but you can also sign up for an Uphold exchange account. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to go ahead and we're going to purchase Ethereum. So we're going to go ahead, purchase a $10 Ethereum right on the Coinbase exchange. So let me go ahead and do this, preview it. So we're going to purchase Ethereum on Coinbase, and then we're going to take this and we're going to move it up to Uphold. So right now I'm going to buy it. I'm at Ethereum, and right now it's loading up. It's basically giving me the actual order submission information. Press done. So now I click on the wallet. Here's the information I have here that I bought $10, where really $9 worth of Ethereum, and now I'm going to transfer it over to Uphold. Now, all I have to do is go to Home and Portfolio, and I go to Ethereum, and I'm right here just to let you know exactly how I did that. Now, what I really need now is to get the address from Ethereum from Uphold. So I already have, this is a test account, and I have Ethereum already in my wallet information. Ethereum, click on these three dots here. You want to get the crypto wallet address, and you want to copy this address here. I'm copying this address. Now, this is Uphold that I just did all this information. Uphold. Now I'm going to go back to Coinbase. Here's Ethereum right here, and we're going to send this information over. So we're going to send all, and then I'm going to right click and paste the address, and then optional message, you don't have to. You could just say going to Uphold. I don't know, just something to reference to. Paying with Ethereum, and this is where this is going. So send and receive. It's already selected. I'm going to continue, and it say you're sending $2.90 over. I'm sending that over right now. Send now. It's getting me to enter the two-step verification code. This is information that goes right to your actually cell phone when you set up your account. So it's a verification code, and it definitely lets you know that this is very secure, and it's pretty much a seven-digit number that they give you just to verify this is you. Do you want to make this transaction? So this is a security information that's really good for any type of transactions. So I'll click on done. So now I go back to here. I can right click it, reload, but it says pending because it's taking this $9.60. It's going to transfer it over to Uphold. So he's going to Uphold. That's our notes there. Remember, this is the address we got from here. This is the address. Price per coin. This is how much it's worth per coin right now in terms of Ethereum. And these are the fees that's connected with it as well. So it's pending, should be there momentarily. So now let me come back here and just see. I'll right click it and just refresh this page and see where it is. And it has not made it yet. So it's probably on its way. It takes a little while, takes some time because I'm basically using Ethereum. Now, how did I get these balances here? I always tell people, you want to identify yourself an address. Just get a small bag of your assets. So if I didn't have Ethereum here, I just would have went here. Here's my bank account connected with Uphold. You can always click on these crosses here or here to just add in your payment information. So I'm already connected already. Click there. And I would just go and find Ethereum or any assets I'm trying to transfer over and just buy a small bag. Just get a small bag, maybe get like a $10 bag or $5. You will want to basically identify the address. So just get a small bag of it. And that way it's just right here. It's just so much easier than trying to figure out how to get your address from here. It's just so much easier. So that's basically what I did, keeping it really, really simple, keeping it really, really real with you. And let me see if that's being on there. Now I think it's probably still loading up right now. And then another trick I want to tell you, well, I won't say a trick. It's pending there, it's just pending, so it's coming around Ethereum. Just double checking my information, one confirmation. So it should be there momentarily. And another thing you can do is that you can repeat those buyers too. This is something I use on Uphold sometimes if you want to do like if you say want to do each Monday, each Tuesday, you can actually have it set up where the buy orders is automatically set up. So this is a really good tool as well. This is only if you're using Uphold. So I use Uphold on certain actually assets that Coinbase may not have or another exchange may not have. Cause like Zilliqa is not on Coinbase yet. XRP, which is very popular, you can actually buy and sell the whole XRP on here. So prime example, really simple, is bank account. Remember I said set up your bank account, and I could just go look for XRP and purchase XRP right now just by selecting XRP, clicking on cryptocurrencies, and voila. If I say, hey, I want 200, so that's what will happen. I can get 200 XRP. And let me go back to transact. So 200 XRP, $200 worth of XRP is basically gonna be 151 XRP. And just preview there and so it's pretty simple to do. I just use these exchanges if you don't have the exchanges on Coinbase as well. So let me go plus home. It takes a little while for this to kind of show up. So I can tell it's already sending right now because I don't see it. See, I don't see it. I don't even see Ethereum on here. So I don't even see it on here. So let me click on Ethereum. It says sending, so it should be on its way now because I don't even see it in my actual portfolio right now. So take a couple of minutes for this to go over. Let me see where we're at with that. An hour. Should be here momentarily. So train transaction. So right. So it should be on its way over momentarily. So sometimes you may have to wait a little while, especially on the weekends. I'm doing this on the weekend as well, so it may take a little while for it to actually go through. So this process does work. So you may have to take maybe 5-10. It may take 15 minutes for it to go in, a little bit slower with the process, but this is kind of letting you know exactly it is moving over. Maybe just go back over your information. View transaction goes a little bit more deep. So this actually says success. So status does say success. So it's actually going over there. It's just basically having, just a delay with it. So just be patient with it. It does say success. So it means that this is actually helping. It's not failed. Now what I would be worried if this was failed. If this says failed on here, I would be worried if it says failed, but it doesn't say failed at all. It says success. So if I click on here, reload, and just worry about, I wouldn't really worry about that. I would just keep checking here and there, like kind of what I'm doing now. Maybe go get something to drink and see what happens. Now, okay, right when I said that, it's actually coming. So now look at this, $2.90 is actually moving over right now. So it's moving over. Look at that. Look at this. So it's moving over. $2.90 is moving over, and say so that means it's coming over. It's coming over. It's coming over. So yeah. So basically, it's not all of it's not over yet. Because only $2.90 is over. but it says deposit ETH from Ethereum network, and it's processing, so it's coming. Just let you know it is coming. That took like 5 to 10 minutes, not too bad, but it's on its way, just to let you know there. So probably in the next couple of minutes, the rest of the amount will be over there, so you have nothing to worry about. And then this will go ahead and say it'll just basically say process. It'll say sent. So this pending address will be over, so you don't have to worry about that as well. So one more thing. Here is the address if you were trying to have Uphold or different exchange to move Ethereum to Coinbase. You would take this address. So this is the actually address for your address. Once you go ahead and purchase or invest into your assets, you'll actually use this address here to receive the assets from here. So just let you know there. So I'm just keeping it really simple and keeping it really real. And let's see, should be rest of it should be coming over there. $3.83 still, $2.90. So it is processing, guys. So that's it with the review right now. It is processing, so the rest of it should be over momentarily. So my name is Adam Shelton. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. Click on the link below to get access to Coinbase or even Uphold. Start investing today. This is the year to do it. And watch these videos if you need more help in terms of transfer your information. Also in the comment line, let me know what type of videos you want to see, and I'll make sure I'll work to do those because I'm here to help you. And I'll see you on the next video. Have a good day.